guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a gun store. So first, you are going to want to grab these bikes. Here. Won't get off. Won't stop it. Okay. Or at least wanna get boop. Go like that, you see? But this camera's bothering me. Hide it. Okay. Now you want to get another one of these boys. So, okay, apparently I messed it up a little bit. Supposed to put it like right there. And then you want to turn it to this side. There, okay. Not bad. And you want to do that 1, 2, 3. 3 more times, okay? And you might be wondering what is going to be like in the middle of it. Now if you want to keep save it multiple times so you don't have to worry about breaking it, you can. I don't personally like to do that because I just feel like that ruins the process, even though it's smarter to do that instead of just trying to build it. Just mess up one side. Boom. See? I can just go if I want to. Then that. Pick it up. Then that. That. I mean, I guess people can sneak up and shoot me right there. Now I'm able to go. I'm able to go like that, okay? I want to do that on the top, but like this. Yeah. No. And if it's a little hard for you, trust me, I'm having a little struggle here too. Okay, I guess they can shoot me here, but that's fine. Because when I make this, oh my, okay, you know what? Like that, I guess. Okay, I don't know. And now, you might be wondering, oh, what's going to be in the middle? On 2 pieces that go up, and the planks. Reason why planks is because they're the perfect building tool of it. It's like that. Well, if you don't want to even it, you don't have to. I am evening it since I like it like that. Okay, boom. And then that. And then that. Boom, there you go. You got your own little gunsmith. But you're like, but wait, there's no guns. We don't need guns. We can have like some melees. Like, we can have some melees. And some like protection, you know? I just want to kind of pick stuff that's kind of cheaper. And boom, see? Instead of us using guns, we decided to go knifer. Oh shoot. And just play some weapons, you know? you know? And we'll even play some heels. We'll even place like hot cocoa. Like right there. I'm just kidding. Oh. Even though it's not Christmas. I don't know. Like, boom, there, you got your own little personal area. You are going to have a nut shredder with you. You just say, give you something expensive or to trade in for it. Now, there you have it. You now have a gunsmith. I'm actually going to keep that since I actually want to make some fair deals. See, not even that expensive. Only 3,000 nuts. Not that bad. I hope you all love this. I seen you all really love that on how to build a car. I already see that's over maybe 15 views in like 13 hours. Like, that's a great sign for me. Because now I'm starting to understand that you guys don't like me just playing or anything. You guys like me playing and teaching you how to build stuff. So I hope you all love this. And remember, we're on the road to 100 subscribers for this month end, which is literally impossible because I need 30 more and this month is literally about to end. But how about this? We can hit 100 subscribers by the end of next month. You can I'll make a thank you video for a 100. I'll let you guys pick what you want me to do for the next one. You'll love this. See you all in the next one.